Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about the red detox tea that's hitting the market. It is very popular right now, and obviously because it works. But here's the thing, it's just not for women alone, it works for both sexes. Most women use it because they're more summer's coming bikini and they're more self-conscious, but man, this does work as well. This works and is very popular because everybody has a busy schedule and everybody's trying to do it the easy way. Well, this actually does work. This is really doesn't have any dangerous supplements. You're not starving yourself. You're not killing yourself at the gym, and you start seeing results every 72 hours. You'll share a pound or two every 270 hours just by drinking this drink. You can have it with hot tea, or you can have it like a cold tea. It stops you from craving. You know, so right there it stops you and on the tracks about eating. I mean, it just stops it. So you're losing pounds, but here's the thing: is you're not feeling fatigue, you're not feeling weak. This actually, it works because it cleanses your body, it gives your energy, and it's easy to do. This red tea tea detox has been proven to work. They call it the red tea detox. And then you can see a lot of reviews on YouTube, and all of them are positive. Although some will say it's a scam, or they turn around and say, "Buy, read this before you buy onto this program, or read this PDF." But guess what? It does work. It's a great detox cleanser. It's a great drink. Um, Most of all, it does clean your insides out. I mean, it cleans you good. Uh, and it's a great diet to be in because it slims you down and you start seeing things in like 72 hours. They also, if you sign up, they have a 7-day free trial, I believe. They did have it. I don't know if they have it anymore. But I mean, with this best tea, uh, it's great for weight loss, obviously, and it's great for energy. It cleanses your blood, and the dieters, they call this the dieters tea, the fit tea. And you know why? Because it does work. um, Try it out for those 7 days. I believe they still have it. I'm not 100% sure, but there's a link down below. There's a video there that you'll see, and they'll explain this, and you'll see if it's right for you or not. But what do you got to lose if they give you a 7-day free trial and you start seeing a few pounds start to melt down? I mean, right there is the proof right there. So I'm going to put a link down below. So you be people who are busy and want to try out the red tea detox program, that it's hitting the market and it's really popular because it's working. Try it out for those 7 days. So again, the link's down below. Try it yourself. And I'm doing it because I'm lazy. But it's not only for women. Hey, you guys that want to have your wife or your girlfriend a little bit slimmer, well, get this as a gift. And you guys that are busy at the office and want to have that extra energy, try this. It works. So don't forget the link below. Try it out.